but I'm not gonna make no more excuses. What is going on, guys? Lewis, and welcome to Wrenchettes. We're only work on beautiful cars like G35 right here, but on life as well. Now, this little clip was just to thank you guys for that matter on my heart right here of having 500 subscribers. Now, this may not be a lot, but if you think about it, as the email from YouTube said, that's enough to fill a jumbo jet. Now, imagine being in a jumbo jet and all those people say, hey, dude, I support what you're doing. Now, that's amazing. Now, think about that for a second. Also, all big channels were here before. This is just a milestone that we all have to go through and we all have to pass through. I still have to find my niche and my place and my own style, but it's really hard. But I'm not gonna make no more excuses. It's not excuses, it's hard. It's an impediment. I can't do things that other car channels can because of where I live and how I live. But yeah, hopefully soon this will all change. But anyways, I want to thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. 500 means a lot. 500 is a lot of people if you think about it, and I want to give 500 thank yous to each and every one of you. Until next time, guys, come on, out.